Laundry is a never-ending story. Welcome to the Hire Smart Laundry Show. Hello everybody, this is your host Mr. Laundry. I believe that everyone has been through the same stages. When you were thirsty, you would say, "Mom, I'm thirsty." When you were hungry, you would say, "Mom, I'm hungry, I want to eat." When your clothes were dirty, you said, "Mom, wash my clothes." If you could only see your dad, you would ask him, "Dad, where is my mom?" Many women fear that once they have kids, they will no longer be perceived as attractive. But mothers like Victoria Beckham, Angelina Jolie, Jennifer Lopez can still be hot. So our guest today is a hot mom.
Hi everyone, I'm Anna.
Anna, welcome to our show.
Thank you for having me here.
And I'm really surprised to be that fit. How can you be a mother? I really cannot imagine that.
Well, I did. My baby is 3 years old.
It's amazing being a hot mom. Do you have any secrets would you like to share with us?
Yes. The secret is to maintain a good attitude. Hot moms love their family and love themselves.
Exactly.
And also leave themselves time to do whatever they want.
But taking really good care of a baby is a very big challenge.
The baby could be the biggest drive.
Even if a baby looks like an angel, they are really hard to maintain and they are really hard to look after.
True. At the beginning, I had no experience of looking after a baby. A lot of funny things happened.
Wow. Would you like to share something with us?
Sure. Once, my baby got around. His clothes and butt were dirty. As soon as I bathed him and changed the clean clothes, I didn't even have time to change his diapers.
So he pooped again?
Yes, the clothes I just changed were dirty again. I was going crazy.
I can really smell something different about your description. It's really tough to be a mother, right?
Yeah, the time I became a mom, I considered that no job in the world more difficult than taking good care of a baby.
365 days of continuous work of looking after your baby.
It is true. To take better care of the baby, I searched for and learned many effective ways and gradually became a know-it-all superwoman.
You must have a lot of parenting experience and various mothers and child products to recommend to us.
Sure, everyone's understanding of good use is certainly different, but I can name a few useless things you can avoid, like reusable underpad, milk bottle sterilizer,
Okay.
manual breast pump.
Uh-huh.
But the most useless one is not among any of them.
What is that?
The dad.
The dad?
Yeah, I remember when our baby was really small and my husband would not even hold it in person because he was afraid of hurting the baby. Can you imagine?
Wow, hurting a baby by being a father. I wouldn't imagine. So how could you balance that thing?
Well, sometimes when I was too tired, my husband would help me to do other stuff.
I assume your husband is a very considerable person.
Sure he is, but still I wouldn't let him look after our baby
Why you don't want to share your burdens with him?
because he could screw it up.
Really? So there must be other stories, right?
Too many. My husband was willing to do the laundry.
What happened then?
Okay. When I opened the washing machine, I found my husband's socks in my baby's coat. When I blamed my husband, he was surprised and asked me why. Our adult clothes are exposed to a lot of bacteria
Exactly,
every day.
every day,
Yes. If we wash our clothes and baby clothes together, the bacteria will be transferred to baby clothes.
Wow.
And then cross-infection.
Do you think that doing house for a husband is very risky thing?
Oh yeah, he can handle the simple housework, the simplest ones.
The simplest ones. I like the way you said the simplest ones. Anna, since we discussed about the laundry skills for babies, is there any specific procedure or some other steps or other tips would you like to share with us?
Sure, the clothes of adults and children must be washed separately. It is the best to have 2 washing machines at home, if you can, to minimize the risk of cross-infection.
Wow, it must need a lot of space.
Well, you can consider the double drum washing machine with the upper drum for baby washing and lower drum for adult washing.
Well, personally, I have never ever seen the dual drum machine before.
Well, guess what? I actually have brought it here today.
Wow, really?
Let's take a look.
Let's take a look then.
Okay, as you can see, here two drums.
Okay, yeah.
Upper drum for baby washing clothes.
Baby washing.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see.
It's quite a
And-
big
Yeah, the lower drum for adult washing.
adult.
Also, it has a lot of procedures. For example, baby care program, right? That's pretty convenient.
Exactly, yeah. It sounds very good. I don't have any kids yet, but I can use this dual drum machine to my personal likings. It can really save my time. I can really wash so many clothes at once.
Sure. It also has a refresh function to care for fine clothes such as silk, wool, or suits.
Wow.
Incredible. Actually, it is a smart machine. You can download more washing procedures to meet different washing needs.
Any other skills besides taking care of baby?
Yes, as all mothers know, baby clothes cannot avoid milk stains or saliva. Once it gets dirty, you must wash it immediately. Otherwise, it is easy to leave a mark.
Note it down.
There is another thing worth to be mentioned. Washing milk stains, you should rinse it with cold water. Milk stains contain protein. It may be difficult to wash it with hot water.
It all comes with the experience, right?
Yes, taking care of my baby, I'm cautious about everything, trying not to make a mistake. Many people feel that being a mother makes them too focused on children to care about their image.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to live a delicate life and take good care of my children at the same time.
Wow.
That is my attitude.
So what are your reflections about being a hot mother?
Firstly, you should have a good behaved baby.
Well, it's too hard, believe me.
Although each child has a different personality, cultivating a child's good living habits can help the baby grow healthily. It can also make it easier for mothers to take care of their babies and have some free time for themselves.
How about the second one?
Babysitters must-haves.
Like what?
For example, baby carrier. I can show you actually.
Yeah. It would be better.
Yes, whether at home or outside, it is inconvenient to hold the baby. A comfortable baby carrier can free your hands, see?
Wow.
In this way, you can do other things while carrying your baby.
Wow, sounds quite amazing. I think this
Yes.
product will satisfy a lot of moms.
Pacifiers are also efficient.
Wow, you got one.
Of course, if your baby is noisy or has some troubles falling asleep, try using a pacifier. See? As soon as you put it in your baby's mouth, he or she will instantly calm down. It can also reduce the discomfort of babies while on a plane.
Wow, we have so much to study about the babysitting, the selection of a pacifier, and then the selection of a dual drum machine, which counts so much and really lot.
That's right. You can never be too careful when taking care of your baby.
Thank you, Anna, the hot mom, for showing us how to do the proper laundries, how to do the babysitting, and then, of course, using of the pacifier. You were such an amazing guest.
Well, thank you for inviting me here today.
It was our honor. Best wishes to all the moms and babies. Please share photos of your family moments in the comments below. In the next set of episodes, we will invite a very well-suited businessman who would like to share his own stories of life. At the end, laundry is a never-ending story. Thank you so much for watching Hire Smart Laundry Show. Bye-bye.